Okay, welcome back everybody. Welcome. So, currently filming on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 right now. And listen, this is not a tech review, this is not a spec review, this is just a first thoughts review. Now, I have a lot of cameras in my house. I have 2 full frames, 2 crops, the 360, 2 drones, 2 film cameras, the list goes on and on and on. So why another camera? Well, I've been really enjoying more raw, organic filming, if that even makes sense, and I feel more compelled to create that kind of content that I enjoy watching when it's something smaller. Like, I don't know if anybody can relate, but sometimes when there's too much tech, it blocks me creatively. Not for weddings and such, but just for my own personal work. So to me, this is very small. This is very baby. It is so cute. I'm not gonna lie. But for someone who is a little more on the introverted side and actually pretty shy here and there, I find I'm already more inclined to take this out and chat, which is really interesting. So my first impressions are that it is small, it is cute, and I'm enjoying taking it out already, which is just, it's interesting. So gonna film some more content and short films with it, especially with being active and potentially hiking, kayaking, stuff like that. I think that's really gonna be where it performs well, so that's the thought. And again, I've only used it a couple of times, so we'll see how it goes. I feel like I'm potentially even still learning it, so stay tuned. Let me know if you have any questions on it. Again, first impressions are that I love it, and I'm actually excited to take it out, and I'm more comfortable to take it out. So if that's maybe what you're looking for, I hope that this is the inspiration you need. But just a reminder that the best camera is the one that you have in your pocket or in your hand. You don't always need all this fancy gear. So hey, thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you next time.